Hi, I'm Rose Kepler-Meridian of Delicious Gardens, and I'd like to share with you this device to keep squirrels out of the So I'm putting the battery in. Then what you do is you connect it to your hose. But as soon as I get this in, stake it in where you want it to be. And there's a timer back here that has 0 to 5. 0 is off, 5 is highly sensitive. As you turn on the water, because it's stopped, it has an on and off valve in there. Water's on. A lot of squirrels and raccoons and so on, but especially squirrels, are a big problem, especially around where there's trees because, well, squirrels live in trees. So you can count on there being squirrels in your garden, and they are destructive. They will eat your plants, they will uproot them, and they're a general nuisance. So we like to keep them out by using this scarecrow. And this is a very wide radius. This can go anywhere from 50 feet to 10 feet. And I'm going to put my hand in front of it, and it will turn on and spray water everywhere, everywhere. And then it'll turn itself off. I'm Rose Kepler-Meridian of Delicious Gardens. Thank you for joining me in this episode of how to detract squirrels from your garden. Thank you.